5 facts about the conflict in Lebanon you need to know. In late September 2024, and after nearly a year of cross-border hostilities with Hezbollah, Israel significantly intensified its attacks across Lebanon. Ongoing bombardments and ground incursions have displaced nearly 1 million people in the country, and 540,000 more have fled to Syria. Most of the families are fleeing southern Lebanon, southern Beirut, and Baalbek in the northeast to seek refuge in Akkar and Tripoli in the north, North Beirut and the Mount Lebanon Governorate. Most people have fled without basic necessities such as clothes, food or medical prescriptions. Many live in overcrowded shelters with no winter preparation and that lack adequate infrastructures. This is why MSF teams organize the distributions of blankets, mattresses and hygiene kits. They also provide hot meals and drinking water to hundreds of displaced families in shelters. These conditions leave them vulnerable to waterborne diseases, respiratory infections and skin problems, especially as cold weather approaches. The healthcare system in Lebanon had already been overstretched due to years of economic crisis. It now struggles even more to meet the needs of the population. Attacks on densely populated areas also periodically hit medical facilities and staff, making it harder for patients to receive care. And it's even harder for minorities such as Syrian refugees, migrant workers and other non-Lebanese people. MSF has deployed mobile medical teams in several governorates and is also supporting hospitals through training and donations. People in Lebanon are already grappling with the trauma from years of crisis, and the ongoing Israeli bombardment is pushing them to the brink. MSF teams are witnessing immense needs for mental health and psychosocial support, especially among children. They're providing psychological first aid through consultations or via mental health helplines. The so-called Israeli evacuation orders force populations to flee without sufficient time or safe passage, putting civilians in danger. Large-scale destruction of villages and cities mean that many will not be able to return home even after the conflict ends. International actors must step up their efforts now to reduce tensions and alleviate the suffering of the people in Lebanon.